Since January 28, 2023, Edinburg CISD has been working with the Museum of South Texas History to discuss the life of Alfredo Freddy González with the help of his mother, Dolia Gonzalez. They discussed stories she had to share about her son, read letters that the teachers wrote about Freddy, and analyzed the letters he wrote during his military service. On July 19th, a workshop was held at the Leadership Academy to share their stories.
It means a lot to what I went through. He's been gone almost 55 years. I was 35 years old when he passed away. He didn't know how to tell me. He didn't know how to tell me that my son. Y le pregunté, y al último me dijo, es que I had to keep busy. He wrote more than I did. And not only me, he wrote to everybody. I enjoy my not 21, 19. He left me when he was 19. He got to be 21. I had a lot of fun with him. Some of the letters that I got from them when I went over there, some of them talk real nice about what Freddy means to them. It means like a big man. Because he's a hero, but it means a lot to him.
Alfredo González served in the United States military at the age of 19 until he passed away at 21. The 150 letters he wrote during his service tell us about historical events, the geography of Vietnam, and the well-being of the people he wrote to, especially his mother. These letters have been archived and will be used to educate our schools about the life of Freddy González.